Okay guys, here's the thing. All this wood right here is going to go into my new barbecue box, as you can see right there. Basically going to be one of those. Sorry about the wind noise. Let me get out of the wind. Anyway, this is all reclaimed wood. As you can tell, this one's got barnacles on it. I washed a lot of them off. It came from the beach. It was driftwood. I explained all that before. Okay, gentlemen, time to build this box. Another barbecue box. I'm going to measure everything and cut it. It's going to be kind of a boring video. Just going to put some of that music on there, you know, just kind of probably put it in fast forward. There's not much talking. I figured out how much I need material wise and how big I can make it with the material I have. So it's basically going to be 45 by 26 by 30 inches tall. And then I'll put legs on it and raise it up. So the idea technically for this is just use every piece of scrap wood I have. So it's not about being pretty or just functional, and use up crap material, you know. I'm not making a bunch of fancy cuts or anything, just gonna stick it together, put some glue on it, nail it, screw it, put a lid on it, and it'll last forever. That's the idea. So let's get it done. I ain't got time to waste. I found the fire ants with my left foot. This stuff kills them. Payback. They need to throw this stuff on those street protesters when they get in the street and block traffic. Just throw a bunch of fire ants on them. That'll take care of the problem. At this point, I'm going to cheat a little bit. What I'm going to do is put the boxes together, you know, make boxes, and then one will stack right on top of the other. But I'm going to use my 18 gauge brad nailer just to kind of hold it together. I'm going to put some glue in there, I'm going to nail it together, and then I'm going to come back and screw it together with some stainless screws that I have. Now remember, this is a rustic barbecue box. I'm not making fine furniture here. I'm just making something to hold firewood and just miscellaneous crap that you have laying around when you're barbecuing. So the deal is, the wood, like I said, is all reclaimed out of the ocean. It's not going to be the same size, close, whatever. I could have just left a big hole there with that 2x12, but that 2x12 is actually like 2 and 11. I guess it's shrunk over the years. The other ones are 2x12. So I'm missing actually 2 and 11 and a half. Anyway, long story, I'm missing about 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch. Have some other scrap. fill in the gap. Trusty nail gun, we're just going to do that, nail that on there, and then when I put the bottom on this, it'll just go right through it, and that'll be part of the situation. That's the beauty of this stuff. Technically, the uglier it is, maybe the better it looks. I don't know. And I got a pressure washer. I got to get all the seaweed and shit off of this stuff. I mean, there's barnacles and everything else in there, man. So, yeah, and I already found the fire ant bed. Yeah, my foot is on fire. If you don't know about fire ants, you don't want to know about fire ants. But like I said, you throw those on those protesters that glue themselves to the road, they won't do that no more. And it'd be awful funny to watch. Okay guys, the box is finished. Except for spraying varnish on it, and that's not a big deal, so I'm not even going to show it to you. Anyway, it looks pretty good to me. Lid opens. I built this little deal right here so that it'll hold the lid up for me. Okay. Not bad. It's heavy as hell. I'll put some casters on the feet, like the other one. It's the same height, so everything should be good. But I got me a second barbecue box. I'm real happy with that. So anyway, you guys, hit like and subscribe, or hit dislike and subscribe, or just subscribe. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching.